To bypass a lock screen on Motorola Moto G15, as you can see right here, I have my lock screen set. And I forgot it, so I cannot unlock my phone. And what we can do to actually unlock it is to perform a hard reset on our device. That means you will lose all of the data from your phone, and you will need to set it up again, and etc. So if you agree with that, then you can follow those steps. Now we need to find power button and volume up button on our device. Click and hold them until your device basically shows recovery mode. So we just need to wait until there will be a small text on the left side of our phone. So here it is. And now when we have that, let me zoom in so that you can see. You can use the volume up button to navigate through this menu. So if you click on it, it will move up. And we want to move to recovery. Then select it with volume down button. If you click on it, your phone will reboot, and then you will see no command screen. And now to leave no command screen and actually reset our device, we'll need to keep clicking on all of those three buttons multiple times, but try to be slow with that, as you can just click on something randomly during that entire process. Okay, so here we are. Now we need to navigate again using volume down button to wipe data and factory reset. Confirm it with the power button. Then scroll down and confirm it again. And now your device will be formatted. After which we can reboot our system. And here we have our first setup screen. So you need to basically set up your device. I'm going to go through it quickly and stop at two important things that we need to do during it. So let's just start. It just keeps asking for my SIM card pin, so it's just normal. You can remove SIM card from your device if you forgot that pin as well. Okay, so we encountered a bug, as you can see. We cannot get through that, so what we need to do is power off our device and just reboot it. Okay, so the SIM pin, and let's hope that it works. Okay, I'm gonna try to go back, as I think something is wrong. So now we're back at the setup. I'm gonna choose the English language and then try to proceed. Hopefully it will be good. Let's start. Okay, so we have a normal setup now. If you encountered that problem, you can follow the same steps that I've made. So as I said, I'm going to go through that setup very quickly, only stopping at the crucial steps. So the first step is to connect to the Wi-Fi network, and that is the crucial step. So I'm going to enter a password for my Wi-Fi, but off screen. And the next crucial step will be further, so let's just get through it. So here we are. Our phone is asking for a password, but don't worry, as you can use your Google account instead by clicking on this button right here. You'll be able to log into your Google account that you used previously on this device, and it won't ask for that pattern or whichever password you had. So I'm gonna log in real quick. Then you can sign into additional Google account if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Here you can set up a new password. Obviously we're gonna skip it. So the setup is about to be done, and I'm gonna jump to the home screen, then lock our device and see if there's a password set up. So lock our device, then try to unlock it, and as you can see, there's no password, it's just a swipe up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.